front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down to click on Permission Manager and pick any feature to manage. Then tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for you. In my case, camera access for this app, which is from allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. After making your choice, go back. If you want to, you can also select any feature and look for an app to manage. Click on it, choose See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!